Welcome to Bigfoot's Cave. Had a yard sale grab, $5 for a big bucket of oddball stuff. Got a dead on 24-ounce hammer. Not in super bad shape, just a little muddy and a little rusty. There'd be a quick, easy fix. Then get some linseed oil on it, just let it soak in what's not painted and stickered out. Well, let's see what I can do with the Dremel to tidy it up a little bit more. Ain't gonna be perfect because it's just a hammer that's gonna go to the collection and get used, but at least it's not too bad a shape. I'm flooding the socket. That's what I was using to hold the project up. I'm gonna say close enough, good enough. It's gonna get used as a hammer anyways. So it's gonna be pretty. So I say, so I can do like tidying up the hammers there. Okay, let's try that again. Not bad. Cleans up. Put some oil on it. Somebody missed a few times. No major cracks. And it's still good. So 24-ounce dead on hammer. Back in action. Welcome back to Bigfoot's Cave. Not sure what I did with the video where I started and I started cleaning the head on this. Got this hammer, dead on hammer, 24-ounce. Clean the head up. Just gonna get this black off because it was missing all over the place. Try to stain it, seal it, soak it in linseed oil, get it all nice and hydrated.
Getting there. It's gonna take time to get all the old paint off. I'm now in the process of trying to smooth it out a little bit. There was quite a few misfires, lots of dents in it. Got most of the paint off it. Little residuals up in the grain. Gonna leave it. Might give it a little character. Got up as close to the head as I could without damaging the head. Everything's sanded up. This might be a little rotten. We'll see how that plays out. Got it sanded up to around 200, 220, 320, something. Wet wipe it, get all the dust and dirt off it. Now it's just time to let this dry. Proceed from there. Oh, wish me luck. Nice and dry. Sanded up, ready for some stain. Instead of using my normal espresso, decided I want to try red mahogany on this handle. See how much she soaks up. I think the red mahogany might be a better option and a better choice. She's a thirsty one. She's real thirsty. I think this is going to end up coming out really nice. Yeah, welcome back. A little more with that hammer that I think it was a Dead Shot. It's in that bucket of stuff for $5. Slowly cleaning it up. Get a little here there. Strip that black paint off. Stained it. Left some of the impacts in it. I'm going to put a little linseed oil on it. See if it'll soak in. Get a little hydration going to it. Now, this is a technique I've never done before. I learned it from a guy on the other side of the pond. I think he's from Ireland, maybe. But he warms up the wood, slathers on linseed oil, and then heats it up. He's saying that it opens the grains, opens the pores. Makes sense. Heat causes things to expand. Supposedly, the concept is it allows it to pull the linseed oil deeper into the wood in a faster timeline. Let's give it a shot, see if it even does it. Well, it's taking a little bit of time, but I'm finally getting to the end of that dead on 24-ounce hammer. And messing with it a little bit here and there, here and there, here and there. Finally decided to get it over with, get it done. Oops. Put that on there, squish that in. Getting there. Just slow. I made a mess out of this tape. Not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but it was not meant to be perfect. I just didn't like the beat up, abused black paint that came on this 24-ounce. I think it was a dead on hammer. stripped it down, restained it, got it nice and soaked with linseed oil, a little coating on it, a little wax. Now she's back to looking nice, ready for many more years of use. Forgot to get that crud out of there. That's residual fiber wheel that I didn't even pay attention to. There we go.